Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is finding himself at the centre of an alleged Mysuru Urban Development Authority scam. The Chief Minister, along with his wife and others, are being accused of illegally obtaining government land worth crores of rupees. In fact, the BJP is now demanding that there should be a CBI probe, which has prompted a quick rebuttal from Siddaramaiah.
Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has been accused of forging documents to obtain government land worth crores of rupees. Complaint has been filed against Siddaramaiah and 9 others for illegally obtaining land compensation from the Mysuru Urban Development Authority, MUDA as it's called, on his wife Parvati's name despite not being eligible. The complainant, social activist Sneha Mai Krishna, claims MUDA officials and the Mysuru district collector were all complicit in the land allotment scam, which allegedly caused losses of more than 1,000 crore rupees to MUDA and the Karnataka government. BJP claims the scam is to the tune of 3,800 crores and corners the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, saying if he's really honest, he must hand over the probe to the CBI.
That CBI is the appropriate forum where this has to be investigated. Because with the state investigation team, there cannot be a fair investigation because when Chief Minister family itself is involved, when scam worth more than 4,000 crores has taken place under the present government, we can't expect a fair investigation, hence Bharatiya Janata Party demands CBI investigation.
The case revolves around agricultural land of 1,48,000 square feet in Kesaru village outside Mysuru city, bought by Siddaramaiah's family in 2010. The land was later taken over by MUDA for development, and in compensation, Siddaramaiah's wife was allotted 38,000 square feet land within Mysuru city at prime location in Vijayanagara. The BJP claims the land in Vijayanagara is valued much higher than the agricultural land, to which Siddaramaiah has refuted. Interestingly, all this happened under the BJP regime in 2021. Siddaramaiah has defended himself, saying all documents were provided as per request and allotted to his wife by the previous BJP government.
ನಾವು 3 ಎಕರೆ 16 ಗುಂಟೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ಅವರು ಆಕ್ರಮಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಂಚಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಸೈಟ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಆಗೋದು. 3 ಎಕರೆ 16 ಗುಂಟೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ. 60 ಕೋಟಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಅಧಿಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ.
Many senior officers of MUDA now have been transferred. Karnataka Chief Minister has himself ordered an inquiry into the case. An inquiry committee has been set up, appointing 2 IAS officers to probe allegations of illegal plot allotment by MUDA. With Sagai Raj and Anaga Keshav, Bureau Report, India Today.